Home is not where we live, home is where we belong. Welcome back to my channel. Those that are here for the first time, subscription is completely free and you may as well share to your friends and family. The adventure begins. Let's go on a wildlife quest. Have you ever thought of exploring national parks and spotting majestic creatures, but you're worried that you're going to be lost in words? Welcome to today's Learn Uganda from Scratch series, as we're going to be learning Ugandan names for your favorite wild animals. And this is going to definitely impress your tour guide, connect you with locals, and make more unforgettable memories. Let's get started. So our today's chat reads wild animals. Giraffe, entulege, entulege, entulege. Elephant, enjovu, enjovu, enjovu. Lion, empologoma, 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 empologoma. Monkey, enchima. Enchima, enchima. Crocodile, gonya, gonya, gonya. Buffalo, embogo, embogo, embogo. Snake, omusota, omusota, omusota. And then lastly, cheetah, emondo, emondo, emondo. Let's go one more time. So I'd forgotten to sign my chart like I always do. So let's go one more time. Giraffe, entulege, elephant, enjovu, lion, empologoma, monkey, enchima, crocodile, gonya, buffalo, embogo, snake, omusota, cheetah, emondo. So like we've always done, I'm going to be reading the English version and you'll be taking me through the Luganda version. Giraffe, elephant, lion, monkey, chima, crocodile, buffalo, snake, lastly cheetah. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this series. Don't forget that I'm as well a tour guide. You may contact me if you need to be taken around or to a game park. See you next time. Don't forget to share with your friends and family, as language is best learned by practice. Bye.
Привет с национального парка Микуми!
Карибу сафари!
Еще чуть-чуть, еще проедьте. Чуть-чуть проедьте вперед. Я хочу снять, как вы уезжаете.